Welcome to SQN Sudoku. I am going to solve the Hindi newspaper Sudoku puzzle on February 5, 2022, 4-star Sudoku. 6th row, we have 2 and 5. So 2 and 5 can't come these cells. It will come in one of the cells. Column E, we have 5. So 5 can't come in the cell. Then 5 is confirmed here. Then 2 is here. 5th grade, only 2 numbers are remaining. 6 and 8. Column E, we have 8. So 8 can't come in this cell. 8 is confirmed here. Then 6 is here. 6th row, only 2 numbers are remaining. 1 and 7. We will confirm later. Column E and column F, we have 4. So 4 can't come in these cells. Then 4 is confirmed here. Column G, only 2 numbers are remaining, 3 and 9. Third row, we have 9. So 9 can't come in this cell. The 9 is confirmed here. Then 3 is here. Column E, 3 numbers are remaining, 1, 3, 9. Third row, we have 3 and 9. So 3 and 9 can't come in this cell. It will come any one of the cells. We'll confirm later. Then only one number is remaining, 1. 1 is confirmed here. 3 and 9 will confirm later. 7th grade, only 3 numbers are remaining, 6, 7, 8. We will confirm later. 8th grade, only 3 numbers are remaining, 1, 5, 2. 9th row, we have 1 and 5. So 1 and 5 can't come in this cell. It will come in one of the cells. We will confirm later. Then only one number is remaining, 2. 2 is confirmed here. Ninth row, on column B, we have 2, 5, 6. On column B, we have 8 and 9. It can't come in this cell. 5 numbers. It will come in one of the 5 cells. We'll confirm later. Then only one number is remaining, 7. 7 is confirmed here. Column B, we have 7. So 7 can't come in the cell. Then 7 is confirmed here. Then 1 is here. 9th row, 3 numbers are remaining, 3, 9, 8. Column D, we have 3 and 9. So 3 and 9 can't come in the cell. 3 and 9 will come in any one of the cells. We will confirm later. Then only one number is remaining, 8. 8 is confirmed here. Column I and column J, we have 7. 10th row also we have 7. So 7 can't come in these cells. Then 7 is confirmed here. Column I and column J, we have 4. So 4 can't come these cells. Then 4 is confirmed here. Column H, 3 numbers are remaining, 3, 8, 9. 10th row, we have 3 and 8. So 3 and 8 can't come in this cell. Then 3, 8 will come any one of the cells. We will confirm later. Then only one number is remaining, 9. 9 is confirmed here. Since 9 is here, so 9 can't come in this cell. Then 9 is confirmed here. Then 3 is here. We can confirm 3 also here. column B and 10th row we have 9, so 9 can't come in these cells, the 9 is confirmed here. Second row and 5th row we have pair numbers 1 and 2, so 1 and 2 can't come in these cells, it will come in one of the cells. In this grid already we have 1, so 1 can't come in this cell, then 1 is confirmed here, then 2 is here. Then column D, only 2 numbers are remaining, 6 and 7, we will confirm later. Fifth row we have 1 and 9, so 1 and 9 can't come in these cells, it will come in any one of the cells, we will confirm later. In 6th grade only 2 numbers are remaining, 5 and 6, column J we have 6, so 6 can't come in this cell, 6 is confirmed here, then 5 is here. Since 6 is here, so 6 can't come in this cell, 6 is confirmed here, then 7 is here. Second row and 4th row we have 6, so 6 can't come in these cells, then 6 is confirmed here. Then second grade only 2 numbers are remaining, 7 and 8. Second row we have 8, so 8 can't come in this cell, then 8 is confirmed here, then 7 is here. Second row 3 numbers are remaining, 3, 5, 9. First grade we have 5 and 9, so 5 and 9 can't come in this cell, it will come any one of the cells, then only 1 number is remaining, 3 is confirmed here. Column J we have 5, so 5 can't come in this cell, then 5 is confirmed here, then 9 is here. Column J we have 9, so 9 can't come in this cell, then 9 is confirmed here, then 1 is here. Third row only 2 numbers are remaining, 2 and 8. First grade we have 8, so 8 can't come in this cell, then 8 is confirmed here, then 2 is here. First grade only 2 numbers are remaining, 4 and 7. Column B we have 7, so 7 can't come in this cell, then 7 is confirmed here, then 4 is here. Fourth row only 2 numbers are remaining, 2 and 3. Column I we have 3, so 3 can't come in this cell, then 3 is confirmed here, then 2 is here. Column J only 1 number is remaining, 2 is confirmed here. Column I 2 numbers are remaining, 1 and 8. 10th row we have 8, so 8 can't come in this cell, 8 is confirmed here, then 1 is here. Since 1 is here, so 1 can't come in this cell, then the 1 is confirmed here, then 5 is here. Eighth row only 1 number is remaining, 5 is confirmed here. 10th row 2 numbers are remaining, 2 and 6. Column C we have 2, so 2 can't come in this cell, then 2 is confirmed here, then 6 is here. Column B 2 numbers are remaining, 3 and 6. 5th row we have 6, so 6 can't come in this cell, then 6 is confirmed here, then 3 is here. Column C 2 numbers are remaining, 4 and 8. 7th row we have 4, so 4 can't come in this cell, then 4 is confirmed here, then 8 is here. 7th row we have 8, so 8 can't come in this cell, then 8 is confirmed here, then 3 is here. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. Please like and share this video. Thank you very much.